Hey, how you doing? Conor here at Neversink Farm, and thank you guys for watching for so many years. And it's been great. And I'm not saying I'm not doing it anymore. I am. I'm going to continue to make videos, but some of you may or may not know, I also got heavily into making really efficient tools for gardeners and farmers. It's just a whole line of tools, and I need to make videos about how to use them and their purpose and questions about them and how to assemble them and et cetera, et cetera. And I didn't want to put it on this channel. So I created another channel, this is Neversink Farm. I made Neversink Tools. Go over there and check it out. And I'd love for you to go there, subscribe. It's going to involve the tools, but also education, surrounding the tools. I just didn't want to do it on this channel, and it just didn't seem appropriate here. And I'm still going to make stuff for a farm, but I want to kind of move this out of that area. All right, that's just what I wanted to say. I know I usually don't have videos like this, like weird, kind of talking about YouTube. All right, so thank you for watching, and I hope you go over and check out my new channel.